Hi, I'm Dr. Elliot Goldberg to talk about issues of attention deficit disorder. And you know, when you have a child who is hyperactive, distractible, impulsive, behavior problems, the most common diagnosis is attention deficit disorder, but be careful because those common symptoms are seen with other disorders or non-disorders. For instance, boredom can make someone hyperactive and distractible and fidgety. Allergies, something going on at home, worries, bullies in school. So you need to check that out. The other thing, and complicates the issue, is very often attention deficit disorder has something else going on with it. In fact, I find it very rarely lives alone. And so you need to check out other diagnostic possibilities like anxiety disorders, learning disabilities very commonly. I mean, if you have a language-based learning disability, you're going to be inattentive. It's like going to hearing a lecture in Chinese. It's going to be very hard to pay attention, and so you need to check that out as well. And there are other disorders that have the features of short attention span, distractibility, and impulsivity, but are part of a big constellation of other things like autistic spectrum disorders or bipolar disorder. So the bottom line is that one doesn't make a quick diagnosis based on a questionnaire or just checking off symptoms, but one really needs to get into the child's development, how he functions in all areas of life, what's going on in the family, what's going on in the environment, and see, is it ADHD? Is it consistent with a developmental disorder? The symptoms in all places, in most places and most times, and are there other symptoms that might lead to a different diagnostic category?